cameras are right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. 300 feet. There's one right here as well.
Speed camera.
Huh. Watch me still get flashed. If you guys didn't know, I did get my first ticket in the Q60. This was back in February, so I'm about to do the classes right now. $243 as you guys can see. And this is so annoying. Like, I really hate paying the city. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what I'm gonna be doing to avoid getting tickets in my Q60 again, because I don't want this happening on my record. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna make sure I pick up a multi-expensive radar detector that I could pick up. I'm gonna be installing it and showing you guys like a POV and seeing if it actually works. Hopefully this is my last ticket ever in the Q60. So yeah, let's get it. I'll pick it up once I'm out of this stupid class. Yo guys, I'm finally leaving that class there. Be a little bit more aware on the streets, you know, stay aware of your surroundings. Make sure you guys are always on the lookout, and make sure you guys are driving the speed limit and always know what the speed limit is. All right, y'all, we just pulled out of Best Buy. Hopefully they have it. It's not too crazy. It's only $650. So,
Not big.
yeah, nothing big, you know. No, I'm kidding, guys. I know this is kind of expensive, so I'm gonna go and show you guys if it's even worth it. Like, I'm gonna give you guys my point of view of it, like a quick review to see if it's even worth it. All right, Simon, you have 30 seconds to pick up whatever you want. If you drop it, you lose it, and it won't get you anything. So, 10, 9, 8.
This fool Cuco's on a sick one.
I gotta go look for the radar detectors. I don't know where that's at. Probably back there, if not on that end. So, let's go see. Unfortunately, they didn't have the one I was looking for here. What's good, fam? It's currently the next day now. I did pick up the radar detector, so I'm gonna show you guys right now what it's all about. I'll give you guys a quick review, and then if you guys want like an in-depth like review of how to use it and how to set it up for your car, I could definitely do that. Just let me know down in the comments. But yeah, this was pretty expensive. I paid around $700. But first, let's go wash this car because it's filthy. I haven't washed this car in like 2 weeks here. So let's pull up to the car wash and get this whip washed.
Virgil.
Pulled out to Dutch Bros real quick. I'm dying of thirst right now, so this is much needed right here. I'm gonna pull over and then I'm gonna just go ahead and unbox the radar detector for you guys and show you guys my first impressions on it, and then yeah, I'll probably do a couple little tests. This is the actual product here. So it's the Escort Max 360C. This one is actually Bluetooth, and the other one, which is a 360, doesn't have that feature. So it's a little bit more. It's like $50 more, I believe, for that extra feature there. So that's another thing to keep in mind there, guys, if you guys are looking for a new radar detector. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. I already took out the little plastic wrap that goes around it, so you will enjoy your high performance Escort detector. If you have any questions, blah blah blah. 1 year limited warranty. Oh, that's good. So the warranty has a year warranty, I guess. Oh yeah, so this is a little manual right here, guys. So tells you how to use it, how to connect your phone to it, how to mount it on. Wow, so it's super short, super simple. Oh wow, look at that thing, guys. I'm guessing it's dead and you have to connect it. Oh wow, so this is the actual mounting piece that goes onto your windshield. But once you stick it onto wherever you want to place it on your windshield, you just press this down on it and it just like sucks it on so it doesn't move anywhere. Really strong magnet that just goes right onto it. Look, check this out. I guess that's how you just mount it onto your windshield. And just adjust that real quick. I'm gonna push this down though. Getting a new windshield tomorrow, so I'm gonna be getting this windshield replaced. I know there's a crack right there. They're actually coming to my house tomorrow and just swapping out the cracked windshield with the new one, so that's super dope. I'm not gonna have tint on it though, so I do need to get it retinted. I'll just stick it to the new one tomorrow when I get it. Oh wow, probably should have done it more in the middle, but like I said, it's coming off tomorrow with when I get the new windshield, so it doesn't even matter right now. And then is that it? Oh no, you got your charging cable right here. I have a mess on my car, guys. It's literally bad. I need to clean the inside of it and vacuum it, so I'll be doing that sometime this weekend. This was the most expensive one I saw at Best Buy, so I decided to pick it up, see if it's even worth that much. Basically give you guys my first impression on it, because I know there's a whole lot of variety out there. Let's go ahead and plug this in real quick. Like I said, if you guys want a full in-depth video, just let me know down in the comments. Oh look, you can plug your USB to it as well. I just went ahead and downloaded the app here. I just connected my phone to it too, so now it's Bluetooth. As you guys can see, Max 360C connected. And I just went to the settings real quick and I was messing with it a little bit. I have it basically set up on auto as right now. I haven't messed with anything. What's super chill though, look at this guys, I could change the display color of this as well. So you guys see how it's like red right there? I could change it to red, green, blue. I like the blue one, but I think I'm gonna keep it on red for right now. You could change the brightness of it as well. Right now it's on auto. You could put it on minimum, medium, maximum, and auto. I think I'm gonna keep it on auto because, you know, I like it when it just auto dims for you whenever it's dark. You could adjust the sensitivity. I'm gonna just keep all this on auto as right now. Oh yeah, look, it shows my speed right there. You guys saw that? I don't know if you guys can see it. It says 0, now it's showing my speed as I'm rolling, so that's super dope. There's a SKU zone down there. I want to see if it picks up the little speed camera. I don't know what state you guys are in, but in Arizona, this is illegal from what I was told from the guy from Best Buy. So what he told me is basically if you get pulled over and the cop sees it, he has the right to grab your radar detector and write down the serial number. And basically if another cop pulls you over with it and he has the same serial number down, I guess they could take it away from you. That's what I heard. I don't know if that's true or not. I'm gonna do some more research on it. But yeah, let me know what state you guys are in. This should be legal in most states, as from what I was told, except for a couple. Make sure you guys do your research. Like I said, if I do get pulled over, I'm just gonna go ahead and just take this off real quick. Yeah, just like that. It's super quick to take on and off, mount on and off. So I'm just go ahead and hide it from the cop if I do get pulled over. But yeah, that's if I do get pulled over. Like I said, the reason why I got this was to prevent you know, any more tickets, civil tickets. Oh shit, did you guys hear that? It just said watch speed limit. I was going 50 and a 45 and it told me to slow down basically. That's super dope. So this is where the school's at, guys. It's a 35 zone here, so it does drop the speed limit down 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if that drops as well. Cause oh shit, yo, did you guys see that? It just told me that there's a speed camera right ahead. Look, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera if it's picking it up, but it's showing me a little camera right there, and it's showing me how far it is, like 1,300 feet. Huh, that's super dope, yo. Wow, so far it's doing its job. This is a 35 speed zone. Look guys, the cameras are right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. 300 feet. There's one right here as well. Wow.
Speed camera.
Huh. Watch me still get flashed. Fuck that. Wow guys, that's super dope. Look, it's even showing me with the arrow right there, showing me it's back there now. Super dope. I'm gonna cruise onto the 60 and go onto the 202 and just warp my way around home. Hopefully I could run into a cop, guys. It is getting kind of late out here, so it is getting kind of dark. But hopefully I do run into a cop and it starts beeping so I can show you guys if it's actually performing well. So far it's doing really good. It does have Jeep caution. It just said caution on it and it had an arrow pointing backwards. So I don't know why it did that. There might be a cop. There might be a cop back there. So I'm gonna just watch my speed limit as of right now. Yo, do you guys see that smoke over there? Looks like something's burning over there. Oh my god, that looks kind of bad. Been cruising now. Haven't run into anything. It hasn't done anything besides warn me about my speed. I'm hoping I run into one here soon. Into any cops, unfortunately. Go ahead and end the video now. I know it's kind of short here. I hope you guys did enjoy it though. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over and show you guys a little scenery before I end the video. Or should I do some donuts? Nah. The front bumper is still not on the car. I'm gonna be doing some customization to it, as you guys know. I'm gonna make it look like a one-of-one custom front bumper, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna look super sick. I hope you guys did enjoy it though. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. And I do want to give you guys a fat thanks. Thank you guys so much for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. You guys don't know how much that means for me. Make sure you guys subscribe, share it with your homies, family, friends, everyone. Make sure you guys support the channel. And like I said, guys, there's gonna be some merch dropping here very soon, so make sure you guys cop some merch. It's gonna be really limited, like 100 t-shirts, or not even 100, like 50, 60 t-shirts. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. But yeah, there's a lot of things going on for this channel. Stay tuned for more content, guys. I love you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. If I do run into anything here, I'm gonna keep the GoPro on. Like, let's say I run into a cop on the way back home, or another red light, or whatever it is, I'll make sure I have the GoPro on recording, so I do capture that. But other than that, guys, it's basically it for this video. So hope you guys have a good week. Stay safe out there, guys. Make sure you guys mask up. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.